how to resolve the issue of Google Chrome displaying a 403 forbidden error. So first, you need to clear the Chrome's cache. On your Android device, launch your Chrome application first. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and here select Delete Browsing Data. Then after, go ahead and select Cookies, Cache, and Other Site Data, and then tap on Delete. If you're using your iPhone, you can go to Phone Settings, scroll down to General, and then tap on iPhone Storage, tap on Chrome, and tap on Offload App, and then reinstall application. This refreshes Chrome without deleting your data. Now also set your Chrome as default browsing. Open your phone settings or tap and hold onto the Chrome application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. From here, you need to go ahead and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From here, you need to tap on Browser App option and then select Chrome as a default browser app. Then also check your internet connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is stable, reliable, and strong. Restart your Wi-Fi router if necessary, and also disable your VPN and try logging out and log back into your Gmail as well. And if nothing works, tap and hold onto the Google Chrome application, tap on disable and enable it again. If you're using iOS devices, you can reinstall Chrome as well. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.